Welcome to today's episode, where we're tackling a major key to classroom success: setting clear expectations. When expectations are unclear, students get confused, engagement drops, and disruptions increase. But when they're clear and reinforced, everything changes. Clear expectations create a structured, respectful, and productive learning environment. Here's how to make them work. Be specific. Replace vague rules like be respectful with actionable expectations. When someone is speaking, we listen and track them. During group work, use inside voices and ask 3 peers before asking the teacher. Model and reinforce. Role play both correct and incorrect behaviours. Students remember what they see more than what they hear. Use positive framing. Reinforce desired behaviours instead of focusing only on consequences. I noticed this group transitioned quickly. Great job following expectations. I love how everyone got silent when I raised my hand. Try this quick win. Start each lesson with a 30-second review of a key expectation. A short reminder can save 5 minutes of redirection later. Want more expert-backed strategies? Check out our blog and podcast for a deeper dive. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly teaching strategies. Let's create classrooms where clear expectations lead to real student success.